Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing LSSC Canada.ca. But before we get into the details, I get hundreds of requests to check out products daily from you guys, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself quickly in just a few minutes. Link in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's do the review. So as you can see here in Scam Advisor, they're rated 1 out of 100. So it means that they're a scam. So there are only two positive highlights: that the SSL certificate is valid and the website is safe according to DNS filter. However, the negative highlights are that the owner of the website is hidden on who is. According to Franco, this site has a low rank. This website has received many negative reviews. This website is very young and has a sufficiently high number of reviews, and this website is very young. So as you can see right now, you cannot access this site since it's already fortunately taken down. So before you enter in sites like these, guys, please do your research, and you can do that by accessing my link down below to do the research yourself, so that you won't have to wait another video for me to upload. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.